Thank you for joining us tonight. It is a problem many law enforcement agencies face, dealing with suspects with mental health disorders. Unfortunately, there aren't many solutions to the problem. Mississippi Today reports that on average, 25 inmates are sitting in jail waiting for beds to open up at state mental hospitals.
And while that is a temporary solution to get the person off the streets, county jails and most deputies are not equipped to handle mental health conditions. Our Rosalind Freeman was able to speak with a local sheriff who says this problem is getting out of hand.
The Lowndes County Jail has the capacity to hold about 280 inmates. At any given time, they are likely holding people waiting on available space at one of the state's mental health facilities. Sheriff Eddie Hawkins says that people should be where they can be helped the most.
At least at behavioral health, they're getting some form of treatment. They're being evaluated. They're trying to find out and determine what the problem is. Here in jail, that's not the case.
Instead, Hawkins says the jail has become a waiting center for inmates dealing with real mental health related conditions.
Jail, they're sitting here awaiting to go to get evaluated and find out what that problem is so they can get the treatment that they need.
Hawkins says the crisis is not only in Lowndes County, but all 82 counties across Mississippi, and he and his fellow sheriffs are looking to state officials for answers.
Until the state steps up and starts doing something about these problems and alleviating some of this from the jails, it's going to be a problem for us.
In the meantime, community counselor Veronica Harrison says that until places are available, law enforcement should receive specialized training known as crisis intervention training, or CIT.
And unfortunately, law enforcement is not trained to handle mental health disorder. We do have CITs in the area, and we're actually working in this area to get CIT started.
Yet there is a roadblock for officers to receive this training.
In the last few years has really been seeking to get training, and one of the issues that they face is funding for training.
Telling your story in Lowndes County. Rosalind Freeman, WCBI News.
Now, you are advised to dial 988 if you or someone you know is facing a mental health crisis.